So guys, we did everything we shouldn't have done today with the GoPro and with the Mavic Air. We crashed actually the GoPro to the ground driving. Grazie, ciao ciao. I bought this drone in eGLOBAL. I paid just by credit card with no guarantees and no PayPal. And it arrived, it seems so. I hope so. Maybe we should just see if it's true. It's a drone. DJI Mavic Air. So guys, what to say, it's the second time I buy on eGLOBAL, and the first time I used PayPal, but the second time I had some troubles with PayPal, so I used directly my credit card. And the first time it arrived the D80 of Canon, and now it arrived with DJI Mavic Air. I trusted and I was right. And yes, it takes 2 weeks before maybe 20 days, 2 weeks before you can receive any track of your item. When the item arrives in Europe, you can track it, but it takes 2 weeks before it. So this is my experience. I'm sorry if someone had troubles, and I saw that someone had some little troubles, but I'm always thinking, because someone is complaining, but maybe after a week everything was fixed, and we don't know that. So I would say I'm happy, and I was very fine. I'm sorry we are in the car, and we try now to find a place where to open the box and to try to use the DJI Mavic Air. So guys, I'm so sorry for the last videos, but it's that the GoPro is amazing, but it sucks when it's dark. So guys, I don't know where. I don't know where we are. Allora. Oh, here we are. 64 giga by Sony. It was so cheap. I mean, they remembered everything. Mavic Air Fly More combo. I saved 400 euros. That's crazy. And my one is white, just because I thought if I crash it into a tree, I can find it back. I can find it in a woodland. It's all full white, but it's useful. And I'd love to paint or to put a red cross on it. So let's see what happens. And I need to take this to Iraq. So go on. Well, I told to the UNICEF girl in Iraq, I need to use this. Helicopter stuff. It's empty. Good. So this we take this away. Bene. Interesting, no? So, but it's very little. It's so little. Is this the guy? It's so little. That's crazy. Is this the guy? It's very little. Is this one? Is it this one? It's so little. It's unbelievable. Did I turn this? How do you do this? Oh, here we are. Super easy. On and off. Is it empty? No, come on. Good. Oh. I want to use this. Is it good? It's not charged. Okay. We have to charge it first. So I guess tomorrow, because it's going to be sunset now, or we run home, but we are very far from home here. Guys, we have to charge the batteries. That's all. So guys, this is day 2, and we are trying to use the drone. Huh? Let's try to make the drone fly. It's amazing. It's super easy to make it fly. It's super easy. Yes, it took a little bit of time to. It took a little bit of time to organize the stuff, but it's amazing to make it fly. Let's go. Bene. Amazing. I want the sport mode. I'm saying I want the sport mode. But this is amazing. It's so silly. Let's do it. Let's try. Again.